Hey everybody, Mr. Kirkwald here to go over our Thursday expectations. If you scroll down to Thursday in our September 8th through 11th folder, you'll see two links there. Right now they're grayed out because you can't see them yet. But the first one is Getting to Know You Lab Coat, and then you're going to post a screenshot of it in a little bit here. So the first thing you need to do here is you need to click on Get to Know You Lab Coat, and when you do that, it's going to open up this, and it's going to say make a copy right away. So you don't even get to see the document yet. When you make a copy, it's going to make a copy and put it into your into your drive, and then we'll talk about how we can retrieve that more tomorrow. So I'm going to make a copy, and then it's going to take a minute to load. And it's a short presentation. It's just 3 slides. The first one is our science lab coat. So we've got our nice pockets, we've got some buttons, looking good. Then on the second one are some prompts, but I wouldn't do this right away. I'd go down to the directions on the third slide. So the directions here say pick 9 or more of the prompts on the previous slide you'd like to share with the class about yourself. Answer those prompts using only images and place those images on your lab coat on the first slide. And then find an appropriate picture of yourself to add somewhere. So if you have some picture of yourself, or you can just screenshot the one from campus if you want to use that one, or if you have like an awesome one of you guys of you at the cabin or something this summer, you can post that one in there. And then the last step is to take a screenshot. So you're going to go up here. There's a whole bunch of prompts here. You're going to pick 9 of them, so you don't have to do 3 of them. And then you are going to post pictures. So you're going to go on to Google. You can do that 2 ways. You can go here. You can say insert an image, and then you can just search the web right here. So you can search the web over here for whatever image you want. Or you can just open up a new tab, and you can go to Google and find an image and then insert it that way too. So you're going to answer 9 of these prompts with pictures and put them all over here. And then most people probably put their, if it's a picture of their face, they'll probably put it right here. That'll be fine. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to screenshot this picture. So I put in the directions here how you're going to screenshot. It's going to be, it's kind of hard to see right now, but it's Control, Shift, and the button above 6. So if you hold all 3 of those buttons at the same time, okay, it'll show up like this, and you'll get this little arrow thing. And then whatever you're going to take a picture of, you just slide it in one corner, and then you highlight the whole thing, and then when you release it, it'll take a picture of it. And then that'll be saved to your Chromebook. And then when you're done with that, you can go here, and you can go into Getting to Know You Lab Coat, post screenshot here. I put the Control, Shift, and the button above 6 here. You're going to hit Add Media, because media is just a picture. So you're going to add that, and then you'll say, after it loads, attach a file. You'll find that file on your Chromebook, attach it, hit Add Media, and then everybody in your class. So distance learning kids, you guys are assigned to a class already, so you'll be able to see who else is in your class and their lab coats. And then if you're hybrid A or B, you'll be able to see hybrid A, hybrid B, and distance learning kids that are in your hour. You'll be able to see all of those pictures. They'll all show up here. So you can go through and check out who else is in your class and kind of see a little bit more about them. So that is our plan for today, Thursday. And then when you get done with that and you posted that there, you are good to go. I will see you guys later. Bye.